Okay, class, so today we are going to be learning about theme. So, what is theme? Theme is a life lesson um, within a story. It is where the characters will learn something and the author wants you to teach something. So, the big word there is moral. So, it is the moral of the story. Um, and when we think about theme, it is the message about life or human nature uh, that the author wants us to understand. In basic words, theme is what the story teaches the readers. So, when we talk about theme, it's not just a word. Theme is an idea, theme is a sentence. Um, a good theme that we hear quite a bit is money can't buy you happiness. You don't necessarily have to agree with this because some people might say money can buy you happiness, but at the same time, it is a theme, and it is a theme that we commonly hear throughout a story. Another theme that we commonly hear is don't judge people based on the surface or judge something based on the cover. Once again, it is the lesson of a story, and um, that is another common one we'll see here. And so this is one that has to do with social studies. So we'd better die free than live under tyranny, and those are just small examples of theme. So when I take a look at this, uh, if I take a look at the answer, like what is the theme of this? So Jenny Pushover was so excited she had to pack a Starburst in her lunch, and she had been looking forward to eating them all morning. Lunch finally came, and Jenny sat down to eat her Starburst when her friend Yudi sat next to her. Let me get the pink ones, asked Yudi. Jenny liked the pink ones the best. So here we have something where Jenny liked something the best. And she also was really excited and looking forward to eating her Starburst. But she thought Yudi was funny and Jenny wanted Yudi to like her, so Jenny gave Yudi all the pink Starburst. So here's an event. Uh, Jenny gave Yudi all the pink Starburst. Before Jenny was done giving Yudi the pink ones, Carrie sat down on the other side of Jenny. Let me get the red and orange ones, Jenny. Remember when I gave you that Snickers? Jenny didn't remember that, though she did remember when Carrie ate the whole Snickers in front of her, but Jenny thought Carrie was cool, so she gave her the red and orange Starburst. Now that she only had the yellow ones, Jenny was so excited about eating Starburst. So, after I think about this, what are the big events? Well, we have here that Jenny liked the pink ones, but she wanted her to like her, so Jenny gave away hers. Jenny was also looking forward to seeing them or to eating them. And when we think about what she did after she gave away her pink one, she gave away her other ones too, her red and orange. So, because of that, we're thinking she wasn't looking forward to everything. So, what does the author of this want us to learn from the story? I believe that the author wants us to learn multiple one thing, and I'm going to think about it of
please
in.
come to the main office. Elias are Rio,
Okay,
please
so
come to the main office.
we will. Okay, so when we think about what the author wants us to learn, I think that it is okay to say no. Perhaps that is what the author wants us to learn. Themes are not, sometimes they're very, you know exactly what the theme is. Sometimes they can vary depending on how you see it. So someone might think the theme of this, it's okay to say no. Someone else might think of um, you don't have to buy friends. And so when I think about this as a whole, we are thinking about the theme. And so themes are not stated. You need to infer what a theme is. So they are um, they are talking about real world advice, something where you read it and you understand it, and then uh, you figure out what the author's trying to tell you that you can learn and do in the real world. So here we have another one where it's talking about the boy who cried wolf. The boy who cried wolf is not the theme. The theme is what the author wants us to learn. So if you take a look and read this, the theme might be don't lie to people, because when you are telling the truth, they won't believe you. So this is what our theme is. It's that big idea that the author wants you to learn from what you read. Okay, so now what you are going to do is I would like you to read the worksheet of identifying themes, and please read them. Go through, highlight 3 important events that helped you figure out what the theme is, and then write your theme below where it says what is the theme of the story. And then I would like you, what happens in this, please find your text evidence, and you can just copy paste your text evidence into this part. Find 3 things, 3 pieces of text evidence that will help you figure out what it is. You have 5 of them to do. So please get to work.